Hi, my name is Sneha. You must have seen me in other videos, and today I'm all alone because Anuj मुझे छोड़ के चला गया. He's actually busy with his Yogi Baba work, so I thought I'll play a game alone today. And what better game to play alone than a horror game? So today I'm gonna play Sophie's Curse. Let's get to it. The very first person that I saw playing this game was PewDiePie, and it was back in 2016. And I don't think I've ever seen anyone else play it, and I've always wanted to play a horror game. So I thought, आज कर लेते हैं. Let's get started. Alright, there's a letter. Hello, please forgive me. I was in a hurry and couldn't wait for you to arrive. Thank you so much for taking the gig. A lot of people turned me down because they believe the place is haunted. Haha, can you believe that? My grandpa is already spent most of the day setting up my lighting devices because there is no but I'm sure you can handle it. Don't worry, I'll pay you a little extra. No electricity. Alright. Oh, this is so creepy. Oh my god. The voices are so creepy. Alright. Is running out. Oh, D. Oh, D. I hate this so much. Oh, this is so creepy. Where is Anuj when you need him? Alright. Hey Robert, are you there? Is it true Sophie's really in the house? Just in case, stay away from darkness. Nice advice. That was checkpoint. Keep charging them. I don't want to meet Sophie. Oh no, Sophie's coming. Sophie's coming. Oh, Sophie's coming. Is Sophie coming? Oh, don't come, Sophie, please. I'm keeping it all charged. Why don't come, Sophie? I'm just gonna charge you at some place. My heart is. Oh. Karna. Oh my god. इसको तो अंधेरे में आना था. Oh. Ew. Okay, fine. You know what? I'm gonna continue. I'm so creeped out. Shut up, Sophie. I'm gonna keep you all charged up just in case. Can I read those books? Oh, C is running out. What was that noise? और चार्ज भी नहीं हो रहा. Oh, D. Oh my god, no. By the time I reached to D and then, oh no. Come on, A. Please do charge. Oh. Shit. Are Jana? Oh yeah, I'm dead. Charge it. No, हाँ नीचे जाना है. एक का चार्ज जा रहा है.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I swear, it was not. Ow. Is it hot? Why is it so hot? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, fine. I'll play one last time. I'm so uncomfortable. क्या है वो noise? If it's some alarm clock. And where is the grandpa? He's sleeping through all of this. इतना heavy sleeping क्या करते हैं यार? घर में इतना आवाज हो गया, वो बार बार है करके आ रही है, फिर भी he is not hearing. I've never felt so uncomfortable. Oh, he is running out. I'm coming out. I'm done. Oh my god, exit. What the hell? In PewDiePie's game, what I saw was that when the lights started flickering a lot, that's when she came. Which is why I was like, you keep charging them. But she plays by her own rules. कभी भी आ जाती है. My heart. Fine. This game is scary-ish. So I'll give it a rating. I'll give this game a 3.5 out of 5. Well, that was it for me. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me play more games. Single player games. When Anuj is not available, I can play them. Okay. I guess that's it for me. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.